I'm gonna push a little bit deeper.
Ay, Dios mío.
Okay, no rib pumping here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to handle this next one. Looking from the top.
Right there. What did that do?
Well, your dad was a chiropractor, so I expect that you would maybe be a little bit more in tune, in line, and aware of your posture.
I try to be. I haven't gotten adjusted like in a while.
Alright, I'm going to do a temperature evaluation with the back of my fingers. Very symmetrical, nice and even from left to right. Maybe just a tad warmer at the very, very top in your cervical area, but it's nice and cool all the way down through your lumbar. I'm going to push a little bit deeper into your muscles, okay?
Okay.
Tender?
It does feel funny.
Okay, I'm going to palpate your SI joints here. Any tenderness there?
It tickles.
Tickles?
Yeah.
What about this side?
It also tickles.
Okay. Tender?
A little bit.
Is it this one right here?
That feels good.
Here?
Mm-hmm.
That's okay. Tender. This helps me find L4. I'm going to slide down to the SI joint here. Alright, so we're going to do this where you keep your feet together on the ground, okay? Open. Close. Open. Okay, right one is dropping nicely. This left one is not, though. Alright, so I'm going to measure your glute fibers, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you're going to feel my fingertips on the back of your hamstrings, like this. I'm going to trace up to the bottom of the glute folds here. Slightly lower on the right, meaning your right ilium is possibly going posterior like that. Looking from the top, slightly external rotated on the right. Okay, let your head relax. Okay, no rib pumping here, no asymmetries to the left or right, no curvatures in your spine. Alright, I'm going to push down into your pelvis, okay?
Alright.
Any pain, discomfort here?
No.
Here?
No.
Here?
No.
Tender.
Mm-hmm. All right.
Okay, let's do that again. Deep breath in. Good. And out. Okay, this one's a little bit different. This time we push at the top of the in-breath, so you're going to take a deep breath in, and then at the top of the breath, as you breathe out, we'll push, okay? Good. And out. Okay, so you're going to breathe. Go ahead in. And out. Good. We're going to bring this a little bit more. Good. Good. Lay on your back. This crack's for you. Not that one. Hold on. This one. Good. Lay on your back.
This is good.
Good. Right from, let's see, we're going to push from right there. Nice and gentle breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. How's that? Where do you feel it more? You feel it up here?
Yeah.
Or...
Well, when you apply more pressure, I feel it down there.
Okay, no. It's not more. Same pressure. Okay, we're going to adjust C5 on the left.
Yeah, like higher up. Right there.
Okay, ready? Let this loosey-goosey here. Breathing in through your nose. Good, out through your mouth. Just let it out. Just let it out softly. You're good. Can you breathe into your belly? Breathe into your belly. Move your belly. That was good. Okay, so this is a full spine adjustment, okay? I'm going to use this towel to wrap around your neck. Is that okay? Okay, so this is a full spine adjustment, just like the other adjustments. I'm going to follow your breath, and then at the end of your breath, we pull in that direction like that, okay? Okay. All right, so go ahead and take a deep breath in. Good, and out.
Holy shit, I'm so sorry. No, you're gonna have to bleep that out. Oh my god, that was just like kind of like, whoa. My neck feels like a baby neck. It's very tender. Oh my gosh.
Just relax. Good, massage a little bit.
Ooh.
Okay, same thing. I'm reaching around the front, holding onto your elbow. Lean forward. Good. One more time. Let this go. Loose, loose, loose.
Ay, Dios mío. What? Oh my god. Ay. I'm sorry, that was silly.